All right, we're back, and now we want to give you a bit of a preview of Plato's Parable of the Cave. Okay, so the Parable of the Cave comes from a larger text called the Republic, which was written by Plato, and which stars, if you want to call it, that Socrates. So this text goes back to ancient Greek civilization, specifically, the golden age of ancient Greek culture, which was roughly 500 BCE before Common Era to 400 BCE before Common Era. So Greece, ancient Greece, sort of has this moment, a hundred-year moment, where they do a lot of things which become the foundations for Western culture. So a lot of things that the Greeks do, continue and have been mediated throughout, the thousands, the 2,000 years of Western culture. Um, and so in this moment, you have the birth, again, in scare quotes, right? The birth of philosophy and theater, or Western philosophy and theater, right? Or at least one form of philosophy and one form of theater, right? So that's what this era is known for, right? So you have Greek tragedy and you have Greek philosophy, right? So Greek tragedy, Aeschylus and Sophocles, Oedipus, Agamemnon, all those types of texts, right? Which are largely processing, Homer's, epic poetry from some 2 centuries before. And then you have Greek philosophy, right? So you have, which is commonly known through the triumvirate of Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, sort of in descending historical order there. And you could throw in the pre-Socratics and the post-Socratics and all that. But generally, you have these three moments, okay, of philosophy in Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. So we're going to be looking at a text written by Plato and which features Socrates. And so, if you had IH1, you might have read this text, right? Or you might have read something else by Plato. Usually, we do the Euthyphro, Crito, the Apology, and Phaedo in IH1. So this might be familiar to you, okay, as we get into it.